welcome again in 11th class physics and the chapter units and measurement. Okay, we are going to discuss on the topic error analysis. Okay, we already discussed on various types of error. Okay, and what is error? It is the difference between true value and measured value. Okay, and we also discussed types of error, random error, systematic error, and their subtypes. Okay, now some commonly used terms in error analysis. For doing the analysis of error, some common terms used in measurement. Okay, so I write first term, that is true value. Okay, true value क्या होता है? देखिए, the true value of a physical quantity is the arithmetic mean of a large number of readings of that quantity. Okay, true value means what? The true value of a physical quantity is the arithmetic mean of large number of readings of that quantity. Okay, suppose you are measuring the diameter of any given wire. Okay, using screw gauge. आप स्क्रू गेज से किसी बहुत पतले वायर का डायमीटर क्या कर रहे हैं? मेजर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, एंड यू टेक द नंबर ऑफ रीडिंग्स. ओके, फर्स्ट रीडिंग, second reading, third reading, fourth reading. Okay, means there are variation in the reading. Okay, suppose 1.38 mm, 1.35 mm, 1.44 mm, and like this there are variations in the reading. Okay, then what is the true value of the diameter? उस diameter की true value क्या होगी? आपके पास में बहुत सारी value आई है. Okay, then what is the true value of that quantity? So we take the average, arithmetic mean. Okay, so the true value is what? A bar means A average equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus AN upon N. Okay, here A1, A2, A3 are the number of readings. Okay, these are the delta and find their average. Okay, or we write in short, A bar equal to 1 by n summation of i's varying from 1 to n. I's varying from 1 to n and ai. Ai means we put the value of ai in place of 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the quantity. Or a mean equal to what? 1 by n summation of i's varying from 1 to n ai. Okay, so this is the true value and formula for calculate the true value of the quantity, means take the average. Okay, please write. Okay, second, absolute error. What is absolute error? The difference in the magnitude of true value and measured value of a physical quantity is called absolute error. Okay, it is the difference between true value and measured value. Okay, and what is true value? True value is what? It is the average value. Okay, suppose A1, A2, A3 dash AN are n different readings of physical quantity in measurement. Then the true value of physical quantity is what? We calculated earlier. A bar equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dash 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 plus AN upon N. Okay, then the absolute error in the measurement will be, what is the absolute error? The absolute error is, I write here, the absolute error is what? It is the difference between true value and measured value. Okay, so I write here delta A1 equal to what? A mean minus A1. Delta A2 equal to what? A mean minus A2. Delta A3 equal to what? A mean minus A3. Okay, if there are n number of observations, then what is absolute error? delta a n equal to what? A bar minus a n. Okay, this is the general formula for calculating absolute error. Okay, one more thing, absolute error may be positive or negative. Okay, absolute error may be positive or negative. This value may be positive or negative, but always you must take positive value. Okay, हमेशा आपको क्या लेना है? पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ही लेना है. यहाँ पर आप लिख लीजिए absolute error may be positive or negative, but always take absolute error डेल्टा ए एन. ओके, आपको हमेशा उसका क्या लेना है? मोड ही लेना है. ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन. ओके, नेक्स्ट मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर. ओके, एब्सोल्यूट एरर एंड देयर मीन, नाम से क्लियर है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एब्सोल्यूट एरर, देन देयर मीन. ओके, it is the arithmetic mean of the magnitude of absolute errors in all the measurement of the quantity. Okay, उस measurement में जितनी भी absolute error है सभी का mean लेना है. It is represented by delta A mean. Okay, and what is the formula for the calculation of this error? Delta A mean equal to what? Mod of delta A1 plus mod of delta A2 plus mod of delta A3 plus dash plus mod of delta AN upon n. Why n? Because we want to take the average. Okay, now in short form, delta A mean equal to what? 1 by n summation of i's varying from 1 to n, and mod of delta AI. Okay, i की वैल्यू आप रखते जाइए 1 2 3 4 n तक. Okay, now final result of measurement is written like this. सबसे पहले आप उसकी एवरेज वैल्यू लिखेंगे, ट्रू वैल्यू, एंड प्लस माइनस ये वैल्यू जो भी आएगी प्लस माइनस डेल्टा ए मीन. ओके, ये फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन होगा मेजरमेंट का. ओके, we will do some numerical based on this, and you will get easily find all the value of errors, absolute error, mean absolute. Okay, and two or many. Okay, next, relative error or fractional error. Okay, relative error or fractional error, how to define? It is defined as the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value of the quantity. Okay, मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर और मीन वैल्यू का जो रेशियो होगा वो रिलेटिव एरर होगा. ओके, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय डेल्टा ए. ओके, स्मॉल डेल. ओके, डेल्टा ए, एंड डेल्टा ए इज व्हाट? मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर अपॉन मीन वैल्यू. ओके, नाउ डेल्टा ए मीन मीन्स मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर अपॉन ए मीन. ओके, नाउ फिफ्थ, परसेंटेज एरर. If we express relative error in percentage, then this error is called percentage error. Okay, so what is the formula for this? Del A equal to what? Del A mean upon A mean into 100. Okay, आप इसे परसेंटेज में एक्सप्रेस कर दीजिए तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? परसेंटेज एरर. Okay, so these are the important terms related to the error analysis. Okay, now we will discuss a numerical based on all these type of errors. Okay, now we take a numerical. The refractive index of water is found to have the values 1.29, 1.33, 1.34, 1.35, 1.32, 1.36, 1.30 and 1.33. Calculate the mean value, absolute error, the relative error and percentage error. Okay, so first of all we calculate the refractive index mean value. Mean value is what? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 A5 A8 upon 8, because there are 8 observations. Okay, so we put the value, and if we solve this, then we will get 1.33. This is the average value or true value of the refractive index. Okay, now we calculate the second. Now absolute error in measurement, delta A1 equal to A mean minus A1. Okay, so A mean is what? 1.33, calculate कर लिया हमने. And what is A1? First observation or first reading 1.29, then 0.04, and A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8 we can calculate like this. Okay, now find the average of all these values. Okay, this negative value we also take positive, because delta A mean we always take positive. Okay, delta A always taken as positive. Okay, so please neglect the minus sign in these three readings and find their mean. Okay, find the mean of this quantity. Okay, mean absolute error, delta A mean, what is the formula? 1 by n, I is varying from 1 to n, mod of A, delta A I. Okay, so put the value of delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, delta A8 divided by 8, because there are 8 observation. Okay, so 0.14, if we add this quantity and divide it by 8, then we will get 0.175, or approximately approx. Okay, if we round off this quantity, then 0.02. Now third, relative error. Relative error is what? Delta equal to mean absolute error upon mean value. Okay, so what is the mean absolute error? This is the 0.02, and what is A mean? 1.33. So we will get 0.15 or plus minus 0.02. Okay, now we express this error in percentage, then we will get the percentage error. Okay, so this is the value 0.015 into 100, then we will get plus minus 1.5 percentage. Okay, so this is the main result 1, this is the second result. Okay, this is the third result. Okay, and first is the average 1.33. Okay, so this is the example based on error analysis. Okay, please write in your copy and understand well.